Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. And this weekend, I'm actually preparing for my first artisan admin professional development. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff in studio. One, of course, is setting up my planner. The second thing is sharing with you my setup. I am using my C270 high definition webcam in order to film this production. And also I have my Get to Workbook planner along with my washi and my full adhesive. So just to share with you a highlight, I used my 2018 calendar setup and upcycled it for a 2019 planner prompt that I want to share with you as far as fasting and praying as an artisan administrator. So what I did was pretty much washi the top portion. Well, right after I turned down this brightness for a second. Okay, hopefully that's a little better. I just went ahead and left the numbered dates there. So therefore, I know like what date I'm on. It's a 21-day fast. And pretty much what I use the last 8 days for, or 7 days actually, in the month of February, is for pretty much posting on social media. So I'll have all of my social media stations set up in advance using Hootsuite and also Buffer. Okay, and then what I did was I did a little summary on the right, which I'll share with my participating Patreons. But pretty much what I did was white out the day, so therefore I can have 3 weeks worth of just planner prompts. At the top I'll list the topic and then what we're talking about. And then here I'll probably make some notes or social media summary sessions. But that's pretty much how I set up my planner in order to annotate what I'm going to be sharing on social media as well as on site in our Artisan Admin Retreat Center. I'll be available on Saturdays online from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. in case you want to participate. Just sign into the guest guide, leave your email, and also the topic that you want to talk about, from planners to setting up your temporary workstation or a more permanent workstation. So I have a lot of tips, tools, as well as techniques to share with you. Take care. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. Until we meet online or next time face to face, take care.